Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine. So friends, today I just went for doing some shopping which I needed from Indian stores and Walmart. So here are the things which I got, and my camera is shaking because I'm using my hand to hold the phone. So I hope you all enjoy my haul of groceries which I did from Walmart, and this is the Indian stores which I always go for my friends in Parker who ask where do I shop my Indian products. So this is the thing I go to, Spices and Beyond, and it's a very good store. You all should visit if you all are residing in Parker. So here are the stuff which I got, and very nice, and this will last me around 2 or 3 months. This is the haul which I got, some groceries, and I got some from Walmart, some from Indian stores, and this is all my haul which I got. I'll be sharing what and all is Indian products and what and all I got for my general use when I went for shopping. I could not shop when I went for shopping. I could not show you my car driving this one because I was alone and I don't like to shoot in my cars because it's so risky while driving. So when I have my kiddos with me, I'll just show you when I went out and all, but now it's not the safe time and I don't like to record while driving because they are prone to accidents and all. These are the things which I got. Now I'll show you one by one like what and all I got. Many people remember this Parle G. When I was a baby, I started eating Parle G, and this Parle G has been from so many years. How many of y'all love Parle G? This is my favorite Indian cookies, and these are very soft on your tummy. They don't spoil your tummy. It really is very good with chai. People ask what is my home remedy for gray hair. Actually, I have a lot of gray hair. I have to myself color my hair, so I use Revlon Silk Color, and this is the best. And I use different types and different colors of hair colors. Actually, I don't stick to one. Sometimes I use light brown. This is the light brown version. Sometimes I use dark brown, sometimes I use burgundy. This is the two Dove soaps which I got, and I really love it. And this is not a sponsored video, it is just that I love Dove products. So I got this too. Kevda water which is used in making fried rices. It gives a good flavor. How many Indian people love this chicky bar? It's a peanut candy bar and it's very yummy. I bought it from the Indian store and I just love this as a candy. The dried hibiscus flower, I got it to do some facials and all. This is a very good facial. I'll try and do one facial with this and show you all how this hibiscus flower powder works. The beetroot powder which I got, and you can put this in smoothies and while kneading your flour. It is very healthy for your gut system. So Vita Fusion Power C, because doctors say please eat some vitamin C for immune support. I've not tried it, but I'll be eating this for a month and see how it works for this winter. I bought some Colgate toothpaste. This is the Colgate toothpaste which I use, and it's very good for my teeth. All of y'all like this Good Day cashew nut biscuits. I love the Indian biscuits and Indian cookies more than whatever other cookies we get. So this is from the Indian store again. This time organic chicken noodle soup because my children love to have sometimes noodle soup. The fridge and freezer baking soda which I like to use it in my fridge so that it takes away all the odors and all. This is Eno because sometimes you can have an upset tummy, and sometimes this works actually in 6 seconds. So it's a very good fruit salt, and when you have an acidic tummy or after the Thanksgiving or after Christmas, you have eaten a very hot meal or very spicy meal. So this helps with getting your tummy better. I actually ordered for something else like a milk product. So this came as a replacement. So I don't know what I should use this for. If anybody knows, please let me know what is this carnation milk and how is it used. But I'll be googling to see what I can do. But if you have any good recipes to make with this carnation fat-free milk, let me know. The yogurt which I got, and I wanted a fat-free one, but I got an original one, but I'll be making it into a good liquidy this one and liquidy buttermilk, and this is the son papdi. It's a kind of a dessert after eating some dinner, and if you feel like eating some dessert, this is my favorite, which I grew up eating in India. So I found this and I bought this, and it's known as son papdi. This is the dates which I got. I wanted to do a home remedy, so I bought some dates. I'll be sharing the dates home remedy very quickly. Indian spicy snacks. Here, instead of eating chips and all, I like to eat this sometimes with my chai in the morning, and this works as my breakfast. This Dawn liquid soap because I wanted a small one. I have the big one, so this will be just for refilling. The bundi which I got again to make a yogurt dip, and this is also very good. A nice bhel puri. It is even known as mamara. And with this I make an evening snack. I'll be sharing a recipe very soon. This is everybody's favorite actually from Walmart. So these are tortilla chips and everybody knows about it. I don't mind eating this with chai sometimes, and this becomes my breakfast also sometimes. The royal basmati rice which I always use, and I like this basmati rice, and it's from Walmart. It's the best. So friends, this is a peanut bar actually. It's made from jaggery and peanuts. Actually, I bought this from Indian stores. It's a very good snack. So I take here like this. And I love this snack. This is my favorite chikki which I grew up eating from India. It's yum. This is the chikki which I said I like it. It's a jaggery peanut bar. It's a very good snack. So this is how it is, and it was little broken when I got it. But I love this so much, and I'm eating it now. Awesome. So this is the packet which I just opened, and they look like this. It looks like this, and it's very good to eat. So this is the murku. I really love it. It's good. So friends, I hope you all like this little. I didn't share any recipe today, but this was the haul which I got, and I thought, okay, I would show this on my YouTube and people can enjoy what and all I buy for the snacks and whatever I use for my daily use. So if you have liked this little video, please like it, share it and subscribe. And if you have any comments and if you want me to do any videos, let me know. Sending you lots and lots of love. Thank you. Have a great day, and till the next time, bye.